Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love everyday carry gear that's sleek, functional, and minimalist, this video is for you. Today, we are counting down the top 10 EDC gear picks for minimalists, perfect for keeping your daily setup light, stylish, and practical. Let's get started. Number 1. Slim Aluminum Card Holder Wallet for Men. First up, we have this slim aluminum card holder wallet, the ultimate minimalist wallet for men. It features a quick access pop-up button that smoothly ejects your cards with one press. Despite its slim size, it can hold up to 12 cards, 6 in the aluminum holder and another 5 to 6 on the expandable backplate. It's made of premium aluminum, giving it that tactical, durable feel, and it's equipped with RFID and NFC blocking to protect your cards from data theft. Plus, there's a silicone strip inside to keep your card secure, no slipping out. Customers love its sleek design and smooth mechanism, though some mention that the side lever can be fragile with rough use. Overall, a modern, space-saving wallet every minimalist will love. Number 2. KeySmart Keychain Key Holder. Next up is the KeySmart Mini Leather Key Organizer. Say goodbye to bulky, noisy keychains. This clever key holder organizes up to 5 keys plus your car key fob in one compact, leather band that's smaller than a pack of gum. It keeps your keys aligned, silent, and space-efficient, perfect for pocket or purse carry. The matte stainless steel hardware adds durability, while the brown leather strap keeps things classy. You can even customize it with KeySmart accessories like a bottle opener, screwdriver, or quick-release clip. If you're all about smart, minimalist organization, this is a must-have EDC upgrade. At number 3, we've got the OLIGHT i3 EOS flashlight, small but seriously powerful. This keychain-sized light runs on a single A battery and pumps out 90 lumens, bright enough for daily tasks, emergencies, or late-night walks. It's IPX8 waterproof, so you can rely on it in any weather, and it's built from durable aluminum with a twist-to-turn-on design. Users love how tiny and bright it is, barely bigger than an AA battery, and it's a perfect addition to your keychain. Simple, bright, reliable, exactly what minimalists want in a flashlight. Number 4. GUARDMAN 11-in-1 Survival Credit Card Multitool. This one's a lifesaver, literally. The GUARDMAN 11-in-1 Survival Credit Card Multitool fits in your wallet, but packs serious power. It's made from military-grade stainless steel and includes tools like a knife edge, screwdriver, wrench set, saw blade, bottle opener, ruler, and more. It's small enough to keep in your card slot, but tough enough to handle real tasks. This is the kind of tool that says, "I'm always prepared." It's also a great gift idea for anyone who loves EDC or outdoor gear, compact, practical, and built to last. Number 5 is a simple essential, the AISBUGUR Pocket Notebook. Perfect for jotting down ideas, quick notes, or to-do lists, this little A6 notebook fits right in your pocket. It comes in a 2-pack, with each book containing 80 thick, numbered sheets that resist ink bleed. There's also an elastic pen loop, back pocket, and strong stitch binding so it won't fall apart. Whether you're a student, traveler, or creative, this compact notebook is a must for everyday carry. Number 6. Zebra Pen F300-in-1 Compact Retractable Pen. Pair your notebook with this classic, the Zebra F300-in-1 Compact Stainless Steel Pen. This pen is sleek, sturdy, and smooth. With a 0.7mm fine point, it writes cleanly, and the stainless steel barrel gives it that premium feel. It's retractable, refillable, and even collapsible for extra portability. Whether you're signing documents, journaling, or writing ideas on the go, this pen makes you look professional while keeping things minimal. Number 7. HOTO 24-in-1 Magnetic Mini Screwdriver Set. If you love functional tools, you'll love this, the HOTO 24-in-1 Magnetic Screwdriver Set. It's sleek, portable, and packed with 24 precision bits, perfect for repairing gadgets, glasses, watches, and electronics. The handle is made from high-grade aluminum alloy, and the bits are S2 steel with strong magnetic retention. Each bit clicks into place with a satisfying click, and the polyhedral grip makes one-handed use comfortable. Customers love the quality and compact design, a true minimalist tool for modern life. Number 8. WORKPRO Folding Utility Knife 2-pack. Number 8 is all about practicality, the WORKPRO 2PCS Folding Utility Knife Set. Lightweight, compact, and durable, each knife features stainless steel construction, a springy pocket clip, and a quick blade change system. It's perfect for cutting boxes, trimming rope, or opening packages, basically anything you do daily. You get 2 knives plus 10 extra blades, making it a great value deal. Simple, sharp, and ready for action, just the way EDC gear should be. Number 9. RFID Blocking Sleeves. At number 9, we've got RFID Blocking Sleeves, a small but powerful layer of digital protection. This set includes 14 card sleeves and 4 passport protectors, all made with shielding materials that block unauthorized scans and electronic pickpocketing. They're slim, durable, and water-resistant, fitting easily in any wallet or travel pouch. If you travel often or just want peace of mind, these RFID sleeves are essential for minimalist security. Number 10. Ainiv Pocket Picnic Blanket. And finally, rounding out our list, the Ainiv Pocket Picnic Blanket. It's lightweight, waterproof, and sandproof, made from tear-resistant nylon. When unfolded, it covers plenty of space for one person, but when folded, it fits right into your pocket, weighing just 0.4 pounds. It's perfect for hiking, camping, festivals, or spontaneous outdoor moments. Just unfold, relax, and enjoy your minimalist adventure. And that's our roundup of the top 10 EDC gear picks for minimalists. Each of these products is designed to keep your setup simple, functional, and efficient without adding bulk. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more awesome EDC and minimalist gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay minimalist.